Put lemon, salt and cloves on a plate. Look what happens. There is a very simple and very easy remedy to remove bad luck, negativity, evil eye, spoken curses, envy, etc. This remedy is not mine, belongs to popular Spanish magic, is done very frequently and is very effective. This is just one of many remedies you can use for this purpose, but I like it for its simplicity and ease of use. You will need to do this. 1. Sea salt, very effective in all works of purification magic, and just now that we have just consecrated salt for San Juan, we will use this very well. If you have not done so, you can use common sea salt. 2. Half lemon, being an acid fruit, is very purifying and dissolves negativity. 3. 5 cloves, which will help you to repel negative forces, purify spaces and attract the joy and confidence of people who go through some critical situation. Process. What you should do is put the salt in a round white dish, without drawings. Then you draw a cross marking it with the knife or a cover that you find comfortable. He must have both arms equal, dividing the plate into 4 equal quarters. This symbolizes that we cut the negativity that surrounds a person, bad luck. In the lemon you are going to nail the 5 nails in the following way: 1 in the center, 1 in the top, 1 in the bottom with respect to the center, another to the left and another to the right. Then place the lemon in the center of the cross that we made in the salt of the dish. How does the remedy work? Well, what you should do is place the dish with salt and lemon under the bed or on the bedside table of the affected person. It is his job to place him where he sleeps. If you sleep on a sofa, place a small chair and the medicine on it. We will have it for 3 days, and at the end of this time we will evaluate it. How do we interpret it? If at the end of 3 days the lemon appears on the surface dry but without remnants of rot or absence of strange colors, then the person is free of negativities, witchcraft and the like. If the lemon has on the surface mildew or rot, then we may think that the person has negative energy. This is not bad, you simply have to raise your vibrational frequency so you can get away from yourself that negativity, those astralos that can get close to you and may be affecting you. If the lemon appears black, then we can think that the person has some witchcraft done, very intense negativities, a bad eye, and affects him.